How to get lock screen widgets on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get lock screen widgets on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, if you scroll down a bit, you should find an option called wallpaper. Head over there and there you will see your current lock screen and home screen. So on your lock screen, tap on Customize. After you tap on Customize, you will see an option called Add Widgets. Now tap on Add Widgets. And from here, you will be able to select whichever widgets that you want. So simply select a widget here. I'll just select this clock here. Now, if you scroll from this, you will get different versions of the clock widget. Now you can select the city digital, you can select the world clock. It's completely up to you. Now simply tap on one and you can select the position for it. So set it up as you'd like, and you can even scroll down and search for widgets for different apps. So yeah, that is basically how you can add widgets on your lock screen. Now tap on done on the top right corner and you're basically good to go. Now after it finishes loading up, you can simply scroll down from the top and you will see the widgets has been added. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.